going on, guys? Welcome back to day 3. Yeah, it's day 3. Few days went by, actually. It's not day 3. Yesterday I couldn't put my hands on this thing, and today's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm slammed. It's a good problem to have. There's a lot of cars outside, a lot of things to get done. I'm the only one getting quotes done, talking to customers. Customers want to talk about the cars and explain things. I have to diag things sometimes. So my time is really limited. But back at it. I got the pistons on the rods, about to put them in the engine now and continue. I'm gonna give it a few hours. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna stay here late again, crank some hours and see how far we could get this thing for Monday, and possibly I'll swing by the shop tomorrow's Sunday, so I don't know. Got everything mounted, looking really good, in the correct order. Now you just gotta throw them in there. Got the 625 head studs. These things look really good. So I'm gonna put them in as well. Block is prepped, nice and cleaned up. Now let me show you guys how much stuff I have going on here outside. Got this car still finishing up. Single turbo kit. There's a few things going on here. Crankcase, breather, we have to figure it out. We did a little cover over here for the line, so it's not melting because the turbo is right there. Yeah, we got this thing almost done. Got my car over here. I have a bunch of cars outside too. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, I got the 335, which we did, N54 build. Got an X4M we have to do some work on. Got that one, got to do springs, diag, eccentric shaft, diag, that one is done. And a few other ones there. So yeah, I'm glad, we have a lot of work, a lot of things to get done. But I got whatever I could done, and now back to the B58 challenge. So let's get to building this thing. Alright, so oil pan is back in, nice and sealed. This oil pan does not require gasket. It's only silicone. It's a BMW Loctite silicone. So for now, I'm gonna leave it like this, just to let the silicone dry, because right now the oil pan is clean and there is no oil dripping on the silicone. So if I flip the engine, the oil is going to start dripping and probably go into the silicone, and that will potentially cause it to leak. So this is the best way, since everything is dry, nice and sealed. Oil pump is in, obviously. Pistons are in, and I'll see if I'm gonna come here tomorrow. Pistons are in, everything is cleaned up, and this is the head gasket that's gonna go in, right? This head gasket is the best option out there. You don't have to send the block out to any machine shop to do the firing ring. It comes with the rings already, as you guys can see here, and it's grooved, right? So the only thing you do is put the gasket on a clean surface, put the gasket on the block, and torque the head. Once you torque the head, those grooves will make their home on the cylinder head. All right, so they kind of like make their own mark and seal. And this is metal rings. So yeah, you're good for boost with this gasket. We got it from VAC, and it's about $289, $300. This is also what I use on my drift car. Never had a problem. And I used on another drift car as well. And the car I built like 4 years ago and it's still out there ripping. So this is really good stuff. So alright guys, I'm calling it a night. It's almost 8 o'clock now. So I got some stuff done, you know, put the pistons in, they're torqued, put the oil pump in, oil deflection plate, and the oil pan. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna come here, but if I don't, you guys will see me the next video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.